the reason you might not think a career in sales is a good idea is simply because you have some kind of mental energy thinking that it's pushy, sleazy, spammy, scammy, manipulative, cheesy. Somewhere in your life, someone tried to push something on you or try a slick maneuver and they were wrong and it hurt. But the reality is the best salespeople today aren't pushy. They're not sleazy. They're not spammy. They're not scammy. They know how to have a win-win conversation to help another person. So if you feel uncomfortable anytime you're in a selling situation or you're trying to persuade someone else, maybe it's even just an idea that you're trying to get across, like that promotion with your boss. Should you be in this situation, take a few minutes, think about what it is you want to say. And then when you think about it, go ahead, write it down, use rev.com to translate it, and eliminate any words that feel pushy, such as I want, or you should, or try me, trust me, or to be honest with you. Any of those words come off as sleazy.